How to log into 7-Eleven Mastercard. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into 7-Eleven Mastercard. Login in 7-Eleven Master is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit 7-Eleven, type 7-Eleven Mastercard, login into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Click on the fourth link, it will take you to the home page. Once you are on the home page, scroll down a little bit and click on current customer login. You will be directed to the login page. Then you need to follow the steps. In number 1, you have to enter your user ID or email address. Then after entering your user ID or email address, input the password in the next step. And if you have forgotten your password or user ID, click on forgot your password or forgot your user ID. Click on continue after entering your credential. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. That's it, you have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.